Guys, welcome back to a new one. This one's gonna be kind of like a vlog video. We're gonna be getting the trailer ready because I bought me a parts truck and this one needs the tires, so we're gonna take off the tires and hopefully it doesn't need any new ones, just that one over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and take them off, and I think they all need plugs. So I'm gonna take them to the tire shop, get a new tire here, and get the trailer ready. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so got them off, got all four in there. Whew, got me winded. So now let's take them to the tire shop so we can get some new tires, or one tire, and then patch the rest. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we got the tires on. Big shout out to my boy down at finish line down in Greenville. He had them. I went ahead and bought 3 of them. One of them was obviously blown out. The other one, it was really old and it was all cracked already. And then third one, it had a plug on the side and it was just opening up more and more, so I didn't want to kill anybody, so I just went ahead and bought all 3. That other one in the front, I bought it from him too, so it's barely like a year old. And well, I'll probably use that one as a spare if I do get the 4th new one. But for now, this will do. I just gotta get the trailer ready because we got a parts truck. So yeah, we gotta pick that up tomorrow. But winch is ready. I'll probably use the OBS battery, and I had this one come off, so I gotta get a terminal for that. But she's ready to go. Just gotta load up and get ready for tomorrow. Trailer's almost ready, but I had to play with the puppy. Come on. Good. Better not pop it. I don't got money for another one. Alright guys, so we're at the tow yard. Got the truck, as you can see back there. Hopefully I can see it. Got the trailer back in, so hopefully this goes smooth. Alright guys, quick and easy. Took me about 10 minutes. And shout out to Harbor Freight for the cordless. Yeah, nice winch remote right there. Now I have to get the cable, but not too bad. Tears kind of decent, not too beat up. Does have a rip right here, but the other side's good. Console's good. I don't know if they try to steal it or something. It looks like it's got a fuel pump. And this, I gotta figure out what this is because I don't know. But she's on there. I just gotta tie her down and get ready to go. Alrighty guys, so Y'all know my curiosity. Had up in the hood and look at that. Almost brand new battery. Let's see if that looks new too. Let's see. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Oh boy. That's scary. Oh. Well, that's gonna need to be replaced. That was scary. What the hell was that? Well, we'll just unplug that. See if it does it again. Nope. Okay, well, we're just gonna leave it like that. At least they got a motor, because on the auction pictures they didn't show anything under the hood, so that's my first win of the day. So, still gotta tie it down. I had to check it out, but as you can see, got an OBS wheel, but it looks pretty straight, so I think this might get saved with the parts from the white flare side. I don't know yet, I gotta figure it out. But let's go back home. I'm about an hour away and I haven't ate yet, so yeah. Catch you guys later. Guys, we are here. Man, that was a kind of a long drive, but we made it. So as you can see, we have two. So originally this was supposed to be a donor to fix this. But the more I look at it, I think we're gonna have to put some parts from this on this one. So I'm gonna need your guys' help on choosing. Should we fix this one with the 5.8 or that one with the 5.0, but I think this one's knocking, or something's going on with the motor, because when it turned on at low RPM, there's a slight kind of like a tick. So yeah, I still need to turn this one on though. I need to figure out what's wrong with it besides all of this rat's nest. Oh my god. So yeah, I need you guys' help. But for now, I'm just gonna unload it, and probably on another video I'll start working on it. Ooh, I stepped on ants. I mean, it's pretty clean. Needs paint, but I mean, it's just paint. But passenger side, and keep in mind the other one, it has everything. So I mean, I could just swap everything over. It's not an issue. Like all the seats on that one, they're pretty good. Dash is good. And I'm thinking I can use this dash for my truck, for the black OBS, because that one's not, well, this one's not cracked on the top. So, look at that, it's not even loose. So, yeah, I can use parts for mine too. And as you can see, a couple things back there, but it's just parts from the dash bezel. And let's see how many miles it has, because dash doesn't work. This is the only thing that's wrong with it that I can see on the body. But I mean, we can put that flare side bed on it, since I have the bumper, tailgate, and everything. And I mean, it's practically the same color. So yeah, well, I need you guys to help me out a little bit on this one and see what we can do. So I'm gonna just get it off right now so I can go back to Dallas, because we got invited to a little dinner party, so gotta get on with it. So let me go ahead and bring her down, and we'll show you guys a little bit more. Alright guys, so she's off, and you already know me. Try to see if the motor will start up. I mean, we know it cranks. Well, that was annoying, but I mean, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of messed up from down here. So I have to take all this off, and this is the ignition switch that actually starts the truck. So, oh, look at that, it did something. Alright, so I'm gonna pour some gas in here, and well, let me put you down, but I'm gonna put some gas in here, and we're gonna start it from the starter solenoid, and hopefully it does something. Alright guys, I put some gas in there, and hopefully I don't run myself over. So let me scoot over here, and moment of truth. Come on, please. Oh, look at that. Well, it runs, guys. It runs. It sounds like it has a exhaust leak though somewhere. Maybe it might be the manifolder. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be locked up. I mean, I don't know what it is. I can't tell yet. And also, the pump's not going, so I don't know if the pump is bad, or I mean, I have to figure it out, because there's no way for me to do it right now, because I have to go back to Dallas. But man, it turns over, it runs. I mean, it sputters because it needs gas, but let's see, maybe I'm out of starting fluid. Let me pull y'all down a little bit. Put a little bit more in there. Yeah, finish it up quick, but Man, it runs, guys. It runs. So, what should we do? Take the flare side bed off that one and put it on this one? Or take stuff off this one and put it on that one? My dad liked this one, but he also liked the flare side bed on that one. So, I mean, it's not much to swap them over, and it kind of looks good with the 15s from the OBS. So, what do you think? Swap the bed from this one over to this one, and the flares. I know it's still gonna need a little bit of work, and also I don't know what the hell this is. Like I really don't know. I'll probably find out when I pull all this off. But I mean, messed that up too. Oh well. But we can swap the dash from that one because that one's blue. It's got the blue interior, so yeah, we can just swap that over. But let me know what you think, guys. It ran, so I mean, that's good news. Yeah, I mean, my dad liked it, so what do you think? Let me know down in the comments, because I mean, I like this one better too, because when I started up that other one, the motor knocked a little bit. So, and then I think it was either the solenoid or the starter that went bad, and I was gonna swap stuff from that one over to this one. So I don't know, gotta think it over. But let me know what y'all think too. So I think that's gonna be it for this one. I'll probably get to work on it another day when I have more time. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this kind of vlog style video. I mean, that's my first one, so I don't really know what to do. But yeah, let me know what you think. If I should do any more videos like this, or I mean, I don't know. It's my first time YouTubing, so I don't know what to do. So, I mean, should have a nice truck whenever I'm finished with it. But yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe. Help me out, because all the trucks are broken down right now. The purple truck's broken down, my black truck's broken down, and these are, well, I don't know what's gonna happen to these yet, but yeah, guys, hopefully y'all liked the video. Let me know if I should do more videos like this, and I'll do them. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So yeah, I'll catch y'all next one.